Hi, this is Derek from Boise Cylinder Head Services. Today we are going over the proper uses of these carbide scraping tools that we've found on Amazon. There's a link below if you're interested enough to get some. We think they're amazing. They do such a great job and they don't gouge the aluminum or the metal on the cylinder heads or whatever you're using them on. It just has a 90-degree angle carbide scraper piece right here, and that flat edge is just ideal for cleaning off head gasket surface material or gasket on your cylinder head. We're going to kind of run through how that looks and how this tool works. You got two different sizes in the set of that on the link below, and we've gotten like 4 sets of these throughout our shop just because, you know, the old way we were doing it with scrapers and knives and whatever else was just slow and tedious, and this just takes all the time and effort out of it. They're just amazing. So right here we got a 3-liter Ford cylinder head, got some head gasket material on it, and some carbon buildup. So a lot of people who are just trying to skate by, if their heads aren't warped very much, they can use these to scrape off this material without worrying about gouging the cylinder head. So we're just gonna, you just set it on here flat at about a 45-degree angle, and it just peels that material right off. See, that material is just like shaving right off. You know, it might take a little bit of effort to get it all cleaned off, you know, but it gets rid of the bulk of it, you know. And this tool has saved us so much time. It's just crazy, and it just peels off the carbon too. And then you know, we take some fine grit sandpaper and just take the rest of that off. But I mean, that gets rid of 90%, if not more, of that head gasket material, and then you're pretty close to just bare metal. So we use this for gasket as well. This is honestly what we mostly use it for because we resurface most of the heads that comes through here. But there's 2 different sizes. This bigger one works for a broader area. This tiny one you got to be a little careful with, because if you use that corner, it's going to scratch right into it. But as far as this gasket goes, it just peels that gasket right off. Even on these weird angles, you can just scrape it. And just the other side here. It just takes that gasket off. I mean, that before using a knife, you know, there's high chance of gouging the metal. Scrapers are, you know, not the right size for a lot of this stuff, and using a wire brush can take out that material pretty heavily. But you know, it's advertised that they don't gouge the aluminum, and you just got to be a little careful not to tilt it one way or the other, but that flat surface is just like perfect for peeling that gasket off. Yeah, but we use these on a daily basis here in this shop, and we just think they're amazing. But anyways, thank you for watching our video. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you really like these tools as much as we did, there's a link down below. You can click on that and get these tools. Anyways, thank you for watching, and remember, it's all in your head.